In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about fishbone diagrams. We'll break down the components and show you how to build your own in Lucidchart. Before we dive into the canvas, let's establish a clear foundation by answering the most common questions regarding this visual framework. What is a fishbone, Ishikawa diagram? It is a visualization tool used to identify potential causes of a specific problem by categorizing brainstormed ideas into a structured, fish-like layout. Common use cases for fishbone diagrams include performing root cause analysis, identifying bottlenecks in a complex process, and organizing brainstorming sessions during product development or quality improvement cycles. To make your analysis effective, you need to group potential causes. Depending on your industry, you might use the 6 M's or the 4 P's. The 6 M's, machines, methods, materials, measurements, Mother Nature, manpower, provide a comprehensive framework for manufacturing environments to ensure every possible variable is considered during a root cause investigation. The 4 P's or 4 S's of service, alternative categories for non-manufacturing environments, allow teams to focus on elements like policies, procedures, people, and surroundings rather than industrial equipment. Fishbone versus the 5 Whys. How to use these two techniques together for deeper analysis involves using the fishbone for breadth and the 5 Whys for depth. Creating the diagram is only half the battle. You also need to manage the human element of the brainstorming session to get the best results. Best practices for facilitating a root cause analysis session include clearly defining the problem statement up front and involving a cross-functional team to ensure all perspectives are represented. Now let's walk through the actual building process. Step-by-step tutorial. How to create a fishbone diagram in Lucidchart. Start by placing your problem statement in a box on the far right. Draw a horizontal line or spine extending to the left from this box. Next, add diagonal lines branching off the spine. Label these with your chosen categories, such as the 6 M's or 4 P's we discussed earlier. Finally, add horizontal lines branching off each category to list specific causes. Use Lucid's formatting tools to highlight the most likely root causes for further investigation. Now you're ready to lead your own root cause analysis. Head over to Lucidchart to start with a template, or build your fishbone diagram from scratch today.